Hello guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be telling you how to get the Multiversus code through your mobile phone. So let's get started. First go to Google and press on the three dots and make sure that it is desktop site. After that search for twitch.tv, then go to Twitch. Now log in into your Twitch account. Now open another tab, go to Multiversus. Make sure it is desktop site. Now press on Twitch drops, link your account. Now connect to Twitch, select authorize. Now it is connected. Then continue with this account is connected. Okay, now press again desktop site. So now go back to Twitch. Now before that guys, I forgot to tell you that you need to connect your Multiversus account to your PS account. Now press on the three dots here, press on the connections and connect it to PlayStation. Continue. Now just type your email here and your password. Now press on continue and it is linked. So now go back to Twitch. Now search for Multiversus. Now just watch any of these streams. Make sure a certain drops enabled. Okay, so I will choose this one. Now here you will find it started. Now press on the top right on your profile, select drops, go to all campaigns. Now scroll till you see Multiversus. Now you can see it says connected. Now go back and watch anyone that it shows drops enabled. Now just put on the lowest quality if you want. Now all you're gonna do is to watch the streamer for 1 hour, and after that we will continue the video. Alright guys, so after watching the stream for an hour, press on the profile. You can see here the drops are 100% progress. Now press on claim now and it's claimed. Okay, now what you are going to do is to go back to Multiversus account and continue for sure as your account, accept and continue. Okay, now you can get for Steam or Xbox or PlayStation. For me, I will get now for PlayStation the code. Press on next and here I got the code. Now I will show you how you can claim it on the PS4 or the PS5. Both of them are the same, but now I only have PS4, so I will show you on PS4. By the way, if you lost the code and you don't know how to get it back, just press on these three dots, go to beta management. After that press on view license and you will see the code. Okay, now let's go to the PS4. Alright guys, now on your PS4 or PS5, go to PlayStation Store. After that scroll all the way down to redeem codes. Now type in your code here. Now press on continue and press on confirm. Continue. Now press on the download button. Now it is downloading. Now go and you can check. And you can check here. It is downloading and everything is fine. And that's it for this video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content and check out these other videos. Peace out.